explain the reason for the elimination of checksum in the IPv6 header. IPv6 header. So before we go ahead, let me tell you something about IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 was deployed in 1981, while the IPv6 deployed in 1998. IPv4 is 32-bit IP address. 32 is like this, 8888. They are separated by a dot. These are numeric dot decimal notation, and each has 8-bit maximum. So 8 4 is 32. Here you have one IPv6 128-bit. So you have 128, that is 32, like this. So this 32-bit, let me tell you the numbers, how many machines it can address. 2 to the power 32 minus 1. So this will be 4.3 billion address. 128 it's a huge number. 2 to the power 128 minus 1, that is 7.9 into 10 to the power 28 addresses. You can imagine. See, IPv4 DHCP or manual configuration, IPv6 supports the auto configuration. Let's come back to our question. IPv4, IPv6, you know that TCP has to have checksum. UDP optional. So the checksum is eliminated in IPv6 because it is already provided by the upper layer protocols that like this TCP. So TCP and UDP. So transport layer protocol. So UDP checksum, which was optional in IPv4, is being made mandatory IPv6. So in TCP, you need to have the checksum and you have to deal with it. And this UDP was optional. Even if you don't want to do checksum, it doesn't matter. But in IPv6, this UDP checksum is mandatory. Therefore, the checksum at layer 3 is redundant. That is, at network layer, there is no point in having checksum. So the header checksum field is unnecessary in IPv6 and suppresses the recomputation process each time a packet passes through a router. So hop to hop, why to check every time? Because checksum is already there in the IPv4, the TCP. Now it is in UDP also IPv6.